how to install AT&T fiber internet. In this installation, I have two devices. I have an ONT, or optical network terminal, and I have a gateway up here. Now, there's a different way to do it, and I'll explain that way at the end. But right here in this installation, we have these two devices. So how this works is we have this fiber cable that comes into the apartment or into your home, and that would connect directly into the ONT, and this requires its own power. What this does is it converts the fiber into an Ethernet connection, and from there you take the Ethernet cable, plug one end into there, and the other end up in the port up here on the gateway. And that provides the internet to your gateway, which is where you'll get your Wi-Fi. You'll use the AT&T Smart Home Manager app to manage that device. Another way to do it, which I can't show you because I don't have that here, there's a different way to install where you don't have the ONT. Instead, you might have a fiber wall jack. For example, it may be installed right here. And what you would do is you just take your fiber cable, you plug one end in there, and the other end, you'll use an adapter to plug in to this bottom port down here. And AT&T will provide that adapter for you. And then from there, you also would use the AT&T Smart Home Manager app to monitor that device. If this video helped you, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.